G'day guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to limit Windows 10 updates. And we all know how irritating Windows 10 updates can be, especially when you want to play a game or you have something important that you need to do right now and then it starts with the updates. Alright guys, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go down to our connection over here. Alright guys, so this method works for both LAN and for wireless. So as you guys can see, I've got a connection for LAN and a connection for wireless. Just ignore the wireless one for now. I'll be showing you this one afterwards. Let's do the LAN one first. Alright guys, so this is very important. So you need to do this on the connection that you're connected to. Otherwise, this method is not going to work. Right guys, so the first thing is that you are going to click on your connected connection, and then over here you can see there's my connection again. You're going to click on it once again. Right guys, and then you're going to see there's an option called metered connection. Now mine is already turned on, but yours is supposed to be turned off. So if it's turned off, then you're going to turn it on. Right guys, now what metered connection does is it basically checks your data usage limit, and then it works accordingly to your data plan for the month. So which means it limits the data usage on your computer, and basically Windows 10 updates uses data to do the update. So which means it will limit the updates, or unless you need to do it after a certain time or something like that. Alright guys, so after you turned on metered connection, you're going to go to set a data limit to help to control data usage. You're going to click on this blue link. Alright guys, and there you can see, okay, so I'm busy with the LAN one, so you're going to go to data usage, and you are going to go to enter limit. Alright guys, and over here you will see you can set a data limit. So that is what you are going to do here. You are going to set your data limit. Right guys, you can keep it high if you want to, just in case it stops the data usage. Let's say for example you are watching YouTube or something like that. You can just set a data limit, or I'm just going to say unlimited. And then I'm going to click save. Alright guys, so now metered connection is working with your data limit. So if metered connection is turned on, then Windows 10 will be limiting the updates. So it will tell you that there's an update, but it won't do it unless you go and do it, or for example after a certain time it needs to be done, then it's going to force it to do it. Alright guys, so that was for the LAN one. Let me quickly go and show you the wireless one. So we are going to close everything. You're going to go to your connections once again. Then you are going to connect to your wireless. Remember guys, you must be connected to that network to do this method. Right, over here we are going to click on properties. Then once again, there's metered connection. You're going to turn it on, and then again set the data limit. And okay guys, so you will see this is only because I have two networks, but you're going to go to the wireless one. You're going to go to data usage, and once again you are going to enter the data limit. I'm just going to set mine to unlimited and save it. Alright guys, so I hope this method helps. Just remember one thing guys, in Windows 10 you can't turn updates off, like completely off. It's just the metered connection is only to limit it. So it only does the update like over a certain time, but longer than it's expected to do. So I hope this method helps you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos.